below. I know the conscious that the federal court. There is a revision for release of passport. My lords, I am a green card holder. My mother is now in ventilator.
Next week it will come.
Yes.
Pardon, my lord. One
Oblate.
CRAMC disposed in 2019, my lord. And the Railway Department has filed an IA recalling a oblique review the order, which is pending for disposal, my lord, for which the petitioner has not been given appointment, my lord. Because the petitioner has not been given appointment since they have filed a recall application before the High Court.
What recall application?
Because that has been quashed. The cognizance has been taken by the lower court, which has been quashed by my lord in 2019. Subsequently, they have filed
They means who?
Railway authority has filed an IA for recalling that order, which is pending since 2019, my lord. So your lordship can take up this matter.
Juvenile in judicial custody, my lord. Earlier disposed of by this honorable court.
Please give.
I don't want tied up bail matter.
Please.
And to mention, my lord, item number 6, my lord, not press, my lord.
6.
My lord, pardon to mention.
6 not prestige.
My lord, this is a tied up bail matter. Custody is 6 years.
Please give it.
Okay.
Regular bail matter, it was last listed on 9th February.
Give it.
Not coming, my lord.
Lordships, I am VC. It's a pardon to mention one matter.
Yeah.
Lordships.
Mr. Nayak, yes.
Yes, Lordships. Lordships, one criminal revision number 439 of 2022. Lordships had directed this matter to be listed on 24/4/2023. Now, this accused, your Lordships, is one Ramchandra Hasda, one former MP of the Biju Janata Dal. Lordships had directed this matter to be specifically listed, but he got an order from another bench that during the pendency of this revision application, your Lordships, his trial will be disposed of. And we had challenged some provisions of the PC Act. Unless until that matter is heard, your Lordships, the petition will become infructuous.
Is it
He had filed one CRMP.
Is it assigned to me or what?
Yes, your Lordship, CBI matter. It's a criminal revision specially assigned to your Lordships.
What is the number?
439 of 2022, your Lordships.
Criminal revision.
Yes, your Lordships.
Noted down. Or noted down.
Okay, your Lordships.
I want to mention, my lord. Item 70, my lord, permitted to withdraw, my lord.
70, there is no 70.
17, my lord, 17.
17. All right, disposed of was withdrawn.
Obliged.
Mr. Patnaik, what is the item, Mr.?
1.
Oh,
My lord, 1.
okay.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yeah.
My lord, to recapitulate the facts, my lord. My lord, the background of the case, I'll take a small time, my lord. The background of the case is that the petition number 1 is the managing director of Brahmani Engicon Private Limited, engaged in construction business, my lord. And petition number 2 is another director of the company. I am the managing director. My lord, the essence of the allegation is that in the name of the informant who was a director, he withdrew from the directorship voluntarily with effect from 2020, my lord, 4/2/2020, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, because he was the authorized signatory for bank transaction, he did not cooperate, my lord, because he asked for some money. That is, my lord, 20 lakhs, my lord. And my lord, that is a part of the record, my lord. The WhatsApp message he gave. And then I said that we are constraints. We are under constraints, my lord, financial crisis. Creditors are facing hard. So I can agree for only 15. Then, my lord, he did not agree. And he filed an FIR because the company received rupees 50 lakhs from the government as its dues, my lord. I opened another bank account, that is ICICI Bank, my lord. That was opened on 28/12/2022. 21, my lord. And thereafter, his allegation is, essence of the allegation is that I siphoned away rupees 26 lakhs, and the rest of the amount, my lord, is in the bank now. My lord, I have filed the documents. Your lordship kindly see page 23, my lord. Of the bail application. Of the bail application.
Yes.
My lord, 23, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
My lord, there, your lordship would kindly see that this is an online bank transaction where I have given to the creditors, my lord, 26,72,104.50. 404.50. My lord, and 24 lakhs is still pending in the account. My lord, my submission before your lordship was that this has been paid to the creditors, and that 5 lakhs, my lord, which was withdrawn in cash, that has been given to the laborers, my lord, where I have filed the receipts. My lord, I have filed the receipts, my lord, by way of memo earlier we have filed, my lord. That receipt, my lord, is in that memo, my lord. That receipt, my lord, is page 124, my lord. 122 to 136, my lord. Around 4 lakhs some odd have been paid to the workers, my lord. Vouchers I have paid. If your lordship kindly see, look at the memo, my lord, 122, which is in your lordship's record, filed on 9/5/22, my lord. Page 122, my lord. Vouchers we have filed, my lord. Vouchers filed, my lord, to the workers, my lord, whose money was.
What is the stage of investigation now?
My lord, they have almost completed the
He's not
investigation.
cooperating with us.
Not
My
cooperating.
lord, their allegation was that
Which
I was not
document we
cooperating with
relied
the
upon?
investigation.
He is not giving that.
No, just one
On
second.
the cross of
Yes,
the
yes, yes. Mr. Patnaik, carry on.
My lord, their initial allegation was, for which your lordship was inclined to modify the bail order, my lord. That is because they said that we did not appear before the IO. But I have filed the memo, my lord. Petition number 1 has appeared 6 times before the IO and has also made correspondences with the IO, which I have quoted in my affidavit. And your lordship had intended that whenever a notice will be served, they will appear. Petition number 2 was served with one notice, and he appeared on 14th, my lord. And the petition number 1 has appeared 6 times, my lord. So that is my submission, my lord. And the investigation, they asked me the copy of the resolution which incorporated the petition number 2. He happens to be my son as the director, my lord. And that the copy of the resolution the IO asked me, which I said that the office is under lock and key of the informant, and I have already, my lord, given 2 letters, my lord. That is, I have quoted in my lord affidavit, pursuant to lordship's direction. I filed the affidavit, my lord, page 2, paragraph 3 and 4, my lord. in the affidavit manner.
Affidavit
Pursuant to
that is 4th August 23.
yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes. Which paragraph?
Paragraph 3, my lord.
3. Yes.
3 and 4.
Hmm.
That the your lordship had directed, if available, it will be placed before the IO.
Hmm.
My lord, though it has no relevance, my lord, I wrote them, my lord, that the petitioners respectfully submit that the petition number 1 in its letter dated 26/4/2022 intimated to the IIC Raghunathpalli Police Station at Para 2 other documents are not available with me as because the ICICI Bank account freezed by banker as per direction and application by Kamalapata Dalmia, that is the informant, my lord, and the rest of the documents available at office. Similarly, the petitioner one submitted another letter before IIC Raghunathpuri Police Station on 7/5/2022, where it was stated, today also I am submitting the copy of the same for your kind perusal. The order relevant documents as required by you are not available with me as the office of Brahmini Engicon Private Limited is lock and key, and the key of that office and all the documents such as such and such are in the custody of ex-director Mr. Kamalpad Dalmia. So kindly collect the other documents from the informant. My lord, the copy which I got from the website of the Register of Companies, my lord, I have filed, my lord, showing the consent of my lord Abhishek Mahapatra, the petition number 2, at page 8 of the affidavit, my lord. And all other documents which were available in the website. And certified copy also I handed over to your lordship last occasion. And copy has been served also on the Learned Standing Council, my lord.
Mr. Patnaik, the last order that was passed by this court on 2/2/2024.
24, my lord.
Yes, and on that day, the Learning Council for the state filed detailed investigation report taken on
the previous occasion.
Yes, that on the affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner dated so, he may be given some time to obtain instruction. So that was your submission, Mr. Tripathi. Documents issued by Deputy Register Companies cum Deputy Official Liquidator Orissa Katak to show that petitioner number 2, Abhishek Mahapatra, had given consent to act as the director of so, which are taken on record. Let a copy of these documents be supplied to the Learned Council for the state. That you have also received. Okay. Let a copy of the affidavit dated 4/8/23 be supplied to the Learned Council for the informant who seeks some time to obtain instruction as to whether the averments taken in the anticipatory bail application, so also the document which is filed at page 23, that rupees 20 lakh and odd has been given to different creditors of the company is correct or not. So it is, he has stated that a particular amount has been disbursed to different creditors. The name of
online payment method.
Yes, online. And so there is no question of committing fraud. There is no question of committing misappropriation. So these are all online transactions, and the person's name, what is the amount that is reflected in page number 23. And that document has been handed over to you. So you have received those documents. So what is your instruction?
I don't need some time, Miller, because that all the transactions are online transactions.
Right. So there is no problem in detecting.
से तो ट्रांजैक्शन तो खाली तुम शॉर्ट नंबर सब आसुची नेम आसुनी कार
Who account who yaichi
yes that will take some time.
You see, please come to page 23.
Yes.
What is, you are for the informant.
Yes, sir.
So please come to 23.
Well,
Suppose he has mentioned date is given 28/12/21. I'm coming to the first
the
one.
account was created here.
Huh?
On that date, account was created here.
Right. Then the transfer which was made.
50 lakhs.
Uh,
No, 10,000 to 1,000 and 10,000 on the date of opening of the account, and 50 lakhs was received.
No, you see that the right column is the last column one. The credit जो part है,
yes.
है ना? से credit part रे 4,19,500 टंका, 7,80,500. So these were mentioned.
Mentioned, but we on from
and suppose let us say Indian Oil Corporation Limited, it has been paid. Okay, so different companies and of course private persons have also been paid.
Yes.
So Industrial Gas Corporation. So why whether first of all whether it is correct or not? Because he has taken a specific
Yes.
government, he has given the document, he has given an affidavit on affidavit. So now the ball is in your court. You are to reply, and so also you. So what you have found out?
Well,
You need some time on this.
yes, madam.
What do you say? What is your
You also
instruction?
kindly look at serial number 4. That is a works contract ROB 211 in that 23 page. Now,
Serial number 4 who?
yes, your lordship.
Yes.
In the serial number 4, that 50 lakhs amount, which is wrongly by using fraud, they have got this 50 lakhs amount that I have mentioned particularly in the affair. That has been taken from the superintending engineer R&B Raurkela. They created a fake account in the name of the company, which they are not authorized to do so. They created that account, got the 50 lakhs from the superintending engineer R&B Raurkela, which is mentioned in the affair, your lordship. 50 lakhs they have got. And they
No,
got some
that
amount.
is the government money or not?
Yes, lordship. That money was
So
disbursed.
the government is not coming up that it is a we have given it to in a fraud account.
The government was in the impression that this is the company's account, my lord.
Which one?
This account created, that account page number 23. This account was fraudulently created by the petitioners, my lord, in the name of the company.
It's all right. Let us say that a company was created, some documents were created. Question is that let us say it has from that particular account 26 lakhs and odd has been paid to different creditors.
Yes, sir.
On different dates, and it is an online transaction. Suppose the company owes dues to those persons, they are required to be paid, and accordingly the same has been paid. So how can you say that this man has committed misappropriation, this man has committed fraud? So for substantiate, with suppose let us say Indian Oil Corporation has nothing to get from the company. In spite of that, it has been transferred to Indian Oil Corporation. Matter is different. But he has mentioned the name of this company, Bhagavati Filing Center, so and so Filling Center, then Bajrang Construction. So question is that whether the company has got any connection with those Indian Oil Corporation, so and so, so and so, whether they had some dues against the company or not, and if in for the repayment of the dues, this amount has been transferred online, then how can you say that this man has committed fraud?
This is one side. Other side, he has created fake documents and posted his son as a director, petition number 2.
He is producing a document from the registrar.
That is a fake document.
No, it's a
yes,
certificate.
the original, we search for the original document, which he is not giving to us.
He is producing the certified copy.
Yes,
So
original.
You can go that document. If you now you have got the certified copy of the document. So once you go to the concerned authority and confront that this is the document, whether it is a genuine document or not, can you not get the instruction whether that certified copy which is producing is a fake document or not?
Other directors of that company said these are not our signatures.
Other directors have some kind of animosity with this person or grievance against this person. But when you are supposed to get it from the concerned authority, A document was given to you. That is why the document was given to you. Why he has filed this page 23 that these are the persons in whose account or the company in whose account this money was transferred. And that is an online transaction.
Yes, ma'am.
There is nothing to conceal. So you are to two things, whether those companies are something to get from
Yes.
the company or not, and whether it has gone to or not. Whether this page 23 is a forged document, it is not correct. The figure which has been mentioned here is correct or not. So that much you are to just get instruction.
From the bank also we can.
Yes, ଆପଣଙ୍କ Indian Oil Corporation account କୁ ଯିବ, ଆପଣ it is very easy to say that fraud ହେଇଗଲା ପଳେଇଲା।
That
ତ Indian Oil Corporation କ'ଣ supply କରିଥିବ company କୁ ଯୋଉଥିପାଇଁ ତାର ପାଇବାର ଥିବ। Suppose ସେଇ
no,
ଟଙ୍କାରୁ
other
ସେ
beneficiaries.
ହଁ
Other beneficiary.
କ'ଣ other beneficiary?
ତାଙ୍କର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଚେକ୍ କରିକି ଆମେ ଜାଣୁ କିଏ
ଆଉ
କିଏ
ସିଏ
ସେମାନେ
ଯେତିକି
whether they are related to this person or
ତ
not.
ସେଇଆ କହୁଛି,
That-
suppose Indian Oil Corporation total କିଛି ପାଇବାର ନାହିଁ, right? In spite of that, online transaction has been made, some amount has been 4 lakhs and ordered, jaha ye, that's a different matter. Kintu if you get the evidence that in fact Indian Oil Corporation has supplied something to the company for which he is to get this much of amount, and that is how so how can you fix responsibility on this person?
I'll take instruction.
So we can take up next week or
Next week.
So
Next Friday.
this matter will come on Friday,
Yes.
and you also get instruction.
Well,
And the certified, your IO can go with the certified copy which Mr. Patnaik has given, and go to the concerned authority so that whether it is a genuine document or not. Merely saying that this is a forged document, because I am not supposed to conduct a trial here, but whatever documents have been provided, you are the investigation is under progress. Your IO can go, and within an hour or so he can get the instruction. Yes. So let it come on
Right. Next Friday.
Today is fast. No, next Friday is a holiday. Why it is a holiday? 8th tarikh. Okay. Then let it come on 15th, because it cannot tie up matters only. Okay. Mr. Patnaik, it will come on 15th Friday.
All right, ma'am. All right, as your lordship please.
The London Council for the State has produced written instruction received from IIC Raghunathpalli Police Station, which is dated 25/2/2024, and the same is taken on record. Land Council for the States also, Land Council for the informant, takes some time to obtain certain instruction on the documents and affidavits filed by the London Council for the petitioner, put up this matter on 15th March 2024. Hard Mr. Jagannath Patnaik, Land Senior Advocate for the petition. Yes.
Obligation.
Item 2. May I please, your lordship?
Item 2 CD is not there. my lord.
Why anticipatory bail has come? I have earlier rejected.
No, my lord. The 2 bail application disposed of by your lordship.
Okay.
My lord.
So what is the offense here?
My lord, the offense are under section 294, 307, 326, 506, and 34 of the IPC, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, earlier occasion, your lordship to dispose of the bail application that first hour, second hour, and parity order is there.
So let him go.
My lord.
Or the London Council for the petitioner and Council for the state. London Council for the petitioner submits that some of the co-accused persons have already been released on bail by the London court below, and the petitioner stands in the similar footing. The petitioner may be permitted to surrender in the court below and move for bail and direction be issued to the land concerned court to dispose of the bail application expeditiously and also to consider the claim of parity. Learned counsel for the state has no objection. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, while not inclining to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner, it is ordered that in the event it is petitioner or petitioners?
Petitioners.
Petitioner surrenders in the court below within a period of 4 weeks from today and moves for bail before the learned court below, the same shall be disposed of as expeditiously as possible by the courts below in accordance with law, and claim of parity with the co-accused persons who are stated to have been released on bail shall be taken into account at the time of adjudication of the bail application. The case record shall be made available to the court concerned. Yes.
Obliged. Item 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? The Lordship has asked for, yesterday asked for the status of the case. On 17/2/2024, PW4 was examined.
Status report was called for. So, status report indicates that that is dated 29/9/23, and it indicates that out of 14 charge sheet witnesses, 2 witnesses have been examined. So I asked you that since it is a report dated 29/9/23, you obtain further instruction, how many more witnesses have been examined?
My Lord, on 17/2/2024, PW4 examination.
So the last witness is PW4.
PW4.
So that means out of 14, 4 witnesses have been examined. So
Petitioner
this
is
is
in
an case, this is an offense under section
20B2C.
Okay. Since when you are in custody?
16/3/2020.
You are a local man.
No,
No,
my Lord.
West Bengal.
My Lord, that has also came the
Verified.
Verified. It is to be correct.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the local sureties?
Local surety, one surety has antecedent and other surety take some time.
No. So you provide the local surety who has got no criminal antecedent, the name, the documents to be produced. That surety cannot be accepted. Okay. And the other surety you require time to verify. All right. Learned counsel for the petitioner on instruction submitted that in the trial court, 4 witnesses have been examined. And the last witness, that is PW4, was examined on 17th of February.
My Lord.
17th of February 2024. Stop. So, learned counsel for the state has verified that the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct one. However, he submits that the names and documents of 2 local sureties which were supplied to him by the learned counsel for the petitioner, comma, one surety, namely, kon tha na? Jar criminal antecedent ache.
Prithviraj Beher Dalli.
Kona?
Prithviraj Beher Dalli.
एउटा कागजहरु लेखिदिएछन् जार criminal antecedent is नाटा लेखिदिएछ has got criminal antecedent, and so far as the other local surety, namely तार भी ना लेखिदेबे आर लेखिदेबे CA available आर instruction is awaited. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner supply the name, address, and documents of a fresh local surety to the learned counsel for the state for verification. ହେଲା ଗୋଟା କେବେ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତା ନାଁ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ସେଗୁଡା ସେ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରିବ କାରଣ ତା ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା ହେଇପାରିବନି ତେଣୁ କେବେ ଦେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଏଇଟା ଫିକ୍ସ ଅପ୍ କରିବା ଟାଇମ ଫିକ୍ସ ଅପ୍ ହବ and he is to verify again by Wednesday. All right. Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that he will supply the name, etc. by 6th of March 2024. Matter will be listed on 15th March 2024 on the receipt of so and so. The verification shall be made. Yes. Okay. ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହାର କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି କାହାର ନାହିଁ
Item 4.
May I please? Since 7/12/2021, under section 132C of NDPS Act.
Mr. Tripathi,
Yes, please.
you have received the case diary?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
For the deposition and status report of
The offense is 20B2C.
20B2C.
So you are in custody since when?
7/12/2021.
7/12/21. So what is the stage of trial now?
That was
Achha, report was called for. Okay, the report indicates that out of 18 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined. So what about the criminal antecedents, Mr.
No.
Wait.
No criminal.
You have earlier gone on interim bail, not. All right, heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/12/2021. And out of 18 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined. The petitioner is a local man and there is no chance of. You are not a local man, you are a man from UP. So address verification has been made.
Kindly come to page number 7. He is residing with me in-law house.
No, let him in-laws. Mr. Tripathi.
That is not very bad.
So where have you stated that he is staying now the in-laws house?
7, my lord. Accused column, Surendra Singh, son of Johari Singh of Rampur PS.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ତାର ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛି ପୁରା ମାନେ କଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇଟେଲ କୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇଟେଲ କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଗାଁରେ ବାହା ହେଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଏ ୟୁପି ଲୋକଟା ହେଲା learned ଖାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ learned counsel for the state seeks some time to verify whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct one or not. Put up this matter on 15th of. Yes.
Item 5.
All right. Next.
Item 7.
The direction towards the file is not you want adjournment? I'm keeping it on 15th. All right. Land counsel for the petitioner 6 for an adjournment 15/3/2024. Yes.
Item 8.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Petitioner has been translated along with the 30430.
Just a minute. You have received the case diary?
8.
Item number 8. Yes. Is it the first application or earlier rejected? Hard application. So,
The meantime, my lord, that principal accused, my lord, namely Surya
no,
Prasad,
when it was last time rejected?
my lord, that is 7147 of 2022, my lord. That has been informed along with
Hey, and see, कौन उदास छी?
1075 of 2020.
नहीं 7147 टा होची latest one. এটা not fresh ହେଇଯାଇଛି. और ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯୋଉଟା
3454 of 2020.
3454 अच्छा. এটা
Prior
ଅଛି.
to that 1075 of 2020. Prior to that 1075 of 2020.
No, 3454 ରେ ଗୋଟେ reason order pass ହେଇଛି. The occurrence took place on 13/11/2019 in the evening hours. And as per the statement of the eyewitness Sushant Kumar Biswal alias Tina, who is the informant in this case, some of the co-accused persons being armed with different deadly weapons assaulted the deceased in Porua apartment where he was sitting with his friends, and specific overtact has been attributed against 3 accused persons, namely Surjyo Swain, Bapi Swain and Sanatan Bhoi. Alias Kalia Bhoi. Kalia, this petitioner, who have assaulted the deceased with weapons. So, learned counsel for the state placed the statement of one Ajay Maharana, who stated that the, okay, so since specific overtact was attributed against you, that was the reason for which your bail application was rejected. No. Oh, you was granted bail. Who was granted bail? Devasis Parida. So 3454 is not your application. This Devasis was granted bail, Mr. Das. And reason is that the eyewitnesses have implicated 3 persons, including the petitioners, who have played a specific role in the assault of the deceased. They are Surjyo Swain, Bapi Swain, and this present petitioner.
Surjyo has already been admitted to bail.
Surjyo Swain.
Ground that informant projected himself as an eyewitness. Informant Sushant Biswal Tina examined as PW11.
PW11. कौन था ना?
Tina alias Sushant Kumar Biswal. Informant.
Tina alias Sushant Kumar Biswal.
Brother of the deceased Manos examined as PW9. Your Lordship has elaborately discussed that aspect while admitting that and according to the evidence of PW9 Manos had been to the spot along with his mother and found that some accused persons were there. Accused persons fled away. Thereafter returned to his villa, and thereafter the disclosure of incident.
Okay, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, my lord.
What Mr. Das said, that I have released one Surjyo Swain on bail in BLAPL number 159 of 23. As for order dated 36/2023, I have discussed the evidence available on record which was adduced during trial. So he claims that the petitioner is similarly situated. So have you examined this bail order with reference to the evidence adduced during trial court?
But this person having 4 criminal antecedents.
So according to you, that is the only difference.
Yes.
So what do you say about that?
So for the antecedent concerned, my lord, he has already been acquitted in almost all cases.
No, almost. Have you filed a comprehensive affidavit? So that you file that if you have acquitted. Please give the numbers, Mr. Tripathi. So what is your instruction? You are for the informant. So do you agree that Mr. Co-accused Surjyo Prasad Swai and this present petitioner, they stand on the similar footing?
They stand in similar footing, but since this petitioner has the antecedent.
No, that is a different part. All right. Lekhun. No, no, see, तार कौन अच्छी अपन देखो तो अपन को antecedent जोड़ा कहूँ सबू केस जोड़ा कर acquittal है file an affidavit. Learned Mr. Devasnan Das, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, filed the bail order copy of one co-accused Surjyo Prasad Swai, who was directed to be released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 159 of 2023 as per order dated 36/2023, which is taken on record. Copy of the same has been supplied to the learned counsel for the state. Both the learned counsel for the state, so also the learned counsel for the informant, submitted that the petitioner is similarly situated like Surjya Prasad Swai, who accused Surjya Prasad Swai. However, the petitioner has got 4 criminal antecedents. The case numbers are supplied by the learned counsel for the state to the learned counsel for the petitioner in court today, who seeks some time to obtain instruction about the status of such cases and file a comprehensive affidavit giving copies to the learned counsel for the state as well as learned counsel for the informant put up this matter on 15th of March 2024. These are taken on record.
Item 9.
Yes, Mr. Pradhan. Where is my Mr. Naik?
Your Lordship, may I pray for Mr. Naik?
Mr. Naik is there. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordships?
Yes, Mr. Pradhan कौन है ना?
Reply affidavit. Last sitting, I have taken time to file reply.
Just a minute. Let me see that. Which order?
19/10/2023.
19/10/23. Mr. Swanso Land Counsel for the petitioner submitted that he has received an affidavit filed by the Swanso on Swatar and he intends to file a reply to the said affidavit serving a copy to Mr. Naik. So you have served the copy.
Just now, before 2 minutes, he served the copy.
Sure. Next Friday is a holiday, so we'll take up this matter on 15th March.
50. A week after 15th March, because my brother is getting.
This matter, these tied up matters can only come on Friday, as per so either it will be on 15th or 22nd, whatever it.
22nd, Your Lordship. 15th is.
All right, Mr. Sarthak Naik, Learned Special Public Prosecutor for the CBI, Mr. BP Pradhan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who files कौन file कला जी देखिए? We filed the reply affidavit, which is taken on record. Copy of the reply affidavit has been furnished to Mr. Naik, who seeks some time to go through the same, put up this matter on 22nd March 2024.
Item 10.
Mr. Mishra.
My lord.
So you have received the case diary. Item number 11.
My lord.
Yes. Is it the first application or only rejected?
Fourth application, my lord.
So when, what orders were passed earlier?
First application was the
No, when the last bail application.
last application, my lord, disposed of on 13/5/2022. That
What is the BLAPL number?
2040/2022. And directed to dispose of the in view of the evidence of witness adduced so far the long trial court and the nature and gravity accusation against the petitioner, while not inclined to release the petitioner bail, I direct the long trial court to make every endeavor to conclude the trial by the end of December 2020.
Okay, so what is the position now?
My lord, last occasion call for reports, my lord, 19/10/23, my lord.
Like status report accordingly. এইটা হଉଛି ପୁରୁଣା ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା 31/7/2023 ର ତା ଦେହରେ ଦେଖଉଛି 32 charge sheet witness, 13 witnesses have been examined. So what is the latest position? And have you supplied the deposition copy? So what the witnesses have stated? 13ଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଯୋଉ ହେଇଗଲେଣି, what they have stated against the
9 deposition copy filed, my lord, on the date of 15 July 2022, my lord. 22 रे जो एग्जामिन ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 9ଟା witness ର 9ଟା 12 जुलाई 22
ମାନେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ବି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି, କାରଣ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହଉଛି 23 ର, ସେ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ 13ଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ୍ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କେତେଟା? 8ଟା?
9ଟା my lord.
ଆଉ ବାକି ତାପରେ କଣ ପୋଜିସନ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି? ଲୋକାଲ କାଉନସିଲ କୁ ପଚାରିଲେନି?
Still trial is going on.
ଆରେ ଗୋଇଂ ଅନ୍ କଣ, କେତେଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛି, ଆପଣ କଣ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛି, ଡିପୋଜିସନ ଟା ଥିବ, ପଠେଇବେ ସିଏ, ଆଉ କଣ? You want, you will produce, or I will ask this trial court to send it here? Okay, take down. From the report of the Lennon status report submitted by the Lennon trial court, which is dated 31/7/2023, it appears that out of 32 charge sheet witnesses, 13 witnesses have already been examined. The Lennon counsel for the petitioner has filed the deposition copies of ketata deyachandi?
9/1 to 9.
9. Mrs. Sahu,
My lord.
not a witness,
My-
9 witnesses. He has got no instruction how many more witnesses have been examined. In the meantime, in view of such submission, let a fresh status report be called for from the Lennon trial court. And while submitting the status report, the witnesses examine the deposition copies of the PW 9 onwards. Hala, be sent to this court, and on receipt of the same, a set of deposition to be supplied to the Lennon Council for the state, so also to the Lennon Council for the petitioner. And that should reach here on or before 11th of March 2024. Registered judicial shall intimate the order to the Lennon trial court. Matter be placed on 15th March 2024.
Item 12. Item 13.
Yes, Mr. Balram Naik.
Sir, on behalf of Mr. Balaram Naik, pass over.
No passover next week. Yes, next.
Item 14. Item 15.
My please, Your Lordship. The quantity of ganja is 24 kg, 750 grams, my lord, and he has been arrested on 18, my lord. And in the meantime, he has in the custody more than 5 years.
No, you have never been released on
My
interim
lord,
bail.
I have excluding that period also more than 5 years, my lord.
No, when you are released on bail.
Three times he has been released on bail, my lord.
Last time when you were released on bail?
Last time on 8/7/22.
In BLAPL number?
BLPL number 3481 of 22, my lord. And
just BLAPL 3481.
3481.
2022. The
No.
order was passed on 8/7/2022.
My lord. My lord, out of 24 witnesses, only 3 witnesses are independent witnesses. Remaining all are police personnel, my lord.
3 months you was granted.
And I have annexed the deposition copy of 3 independent witnesses at page 30.
The report which is dated 8/8/23 or latest report has come. 5/2/24 report has come.
My lord. And the
that
co-accused
just
already
a minute.
released on bail.
The report indicates out of 24 charge sheet witnesses, 20 witnesses have been examined.
20 partly examined.
And this petitioner was granted interim bail for 3 months, so and so, and surrendered on so and so date. Again released on so and so, and he voluntarily surrendered. Again on so and so, he was granted interim bail for 3 months. You did not surrender on the date fixed, and non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued.
And thereafter, after 1 month, he has surrendered, my lord.
So,
due to fits, my lord.
No, that cannot be. You could have filed an application for extension of that. So, once the person has flouted the terms and condition of the interim bail order,
medical certificate is also with me, my lord.
Yes?
Medical certificate is also with me. But as he has surrender before the court below, they have not accepted that.
You are supposed to surrender on 29/10/22. You did not surrender. Non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued. And after 1 month, that is on 28/11/2022, you surrender. So thrice the court has granted you bail. In spite of that, this is your attitude.
Well, last time, my lord, due to his ill health, he has flouted, my lord. And it's almost completed.
How many years he is in custody?
5 years, 3 months, excluding this 3.
So where is your custody certificate?
Regarding custody certificate, my lord, this court.
Get it.
My lord.
The London Council, peruse the status report submitted by the London Trial Court dated 5/2/2024. The London Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner, excluding the interim bail period granted by this court, the petitioner has remained in judicial custody for more than 5 years. Let the London Council for the state produce the custody certificate from the concerned jail superintendent, put up this matter on 15th of March 2024. Yes.
Item 16.
May.
Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
May, please. The petition is in custody since
You have received the case diary?
My lord.
So is it your first application or already rejected?
Earlier one application is there. Honorable Justice Annexure 1 is that Honorable Justice Sasikanta Mishra targeted the matter on
BLAPL number?
BLPL, that is Annexure 1, BLPL number 1146 of 2020. It has been targeted on 7/12/2021 within 6 months from the date of.
So what is the position now?
Now I have last occasion perhaps on 3/8 I have given 15 numbers of deposition. Thereafter only one on 17th to 2024 PM doctor was examined.
That means 16 witnesses have been. What is the total number of witnesses?
Total 21, my lord.
21.
He is in custody more than 7 year 1 month, my lord. And it is
when you are taken into custody?
9/2/2027.
Huh?
No, sir, 2017.
9 to 2017.
17.
What are the offenses under which charge sheet
302,
submitted?
302, the two accused is a minor girl, so they have been released on bail matter. He is at the time of occurrence.
I'm asking one question, please ask, then proceed. I put to your question that what are the offenses under which charge?
302, Milo.
302 only.
No, 452, 307, 326.
Mr. Mrs. Sahu,
My
please see what are the offenses.
302, 307,
Yes.
326,
326.
my
Yes.
lord, 201,
Yes.
120B and 34 IPC.
And please see the date of custody. That column where it is mentioned. His name is
9 February 2017, my lord.
2017. So he's right. It is 7 years have already passed, and 16 witnesses have been examined. Any criminal antecedent against him?
No.
Regarding criminal antecedent, my lord, no instruction has been distributed.
And it was targeted by the coordinate bench on 7/12/2021 to be concluded within 6 months. That has not been complied with. Are the London Counsel for the petitioner, London Counsel for the state. London Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 9/2/2017, and he has been charge sheeted under section 302, 307, 326, 201, 120B, 34 of the Indian Penal Code. And out of 21 charge sheet witnesses, 16 witnesses have already been examined. When the petitioner approached this court for bail last time in BLAPL number 1146 of 2020, as per order dated 7/12/2021, this court, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, directed the London trial court to expedite the trial and conclude the same within a period of 6 months from the date of communication of the order. Land Counsel for the state has not disputed the period of custody of the petitioner, and he submits that the case diary doesn't reveal any criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Considering the submission made by the London Counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and the fact that the earlier order passed by this court to conclude the trial within a specific period has not been complied with by the London trial court, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, allowed appear before the trial court on this day. Yes.
Item 18.
Yes, Mr. Bhansdev.
May praise the Lord, sir.
23, my lord.
Yes, where is the status report? Report received at flag B. আসছে. So the report is so there are all total 32 charge sheet witnesses, and special public prosecutor proposes to examine all the witnesses, and 12 witnesses have been examined so far. You are a man from Jharkhand.
My lord.
So what is about the address verification has been made?
No, my lord.
So made the address verification कर दिया उसका. The period the status report dated record वाला से status report अब
It's flag B.
Dated 22/11/2023, which indicates that out of 32 charge sheet witnesses, 12 witnesses have been examined. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
29/7/2020.
29/7/2020. However, the learned counsel for the state submits that the petitioner is a man from state of Jharkhand, and he may be given some time to obtain instruction as to whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. Let the superintendent of police, Gajpati, make necessary communication with superintendent of police, Dhanbad district in the state of Jharkhand. Baki usual order would have matter be listed on such and such date. Okay, report be furnished on that. Yes.
Item 22.
Mr. Mulia. এটা ফার্স্ট টাইম মানে আগুর আসলে রিজেক্ট হইতলা দ্বিতীয় লাস্ট টাইম কেবে রিজেক্ট হলা
7813 2020 ରେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା 4603 2021 ରେ ୱିଡ୍ର ହେଇଥିଲା.
So you have received the case diary?
Yes, my lord. But thing is, Lord, my lord, the one lordship last occasion on 15/12/2023 directed the state to verify the 161 statement and court person, but the 161 statement are not legible. 161 statement legible copy nahi. In the meantime, CDS 161 statement one legible nahi. Trial has been started. And also directed them to file comprehensive affidavit. So there are seven criminal antecedents. Affidavit. Nahi, am pakar nahi. Basically, copy submission.
Yes, there was a direction for filing comprehensive affidavit.
File goche.
Your file?
File goche.
He has not received copy comprehensive affidavit.
Copy lately.
Yes, that is available. One Lopamudra Mahanti has filed the comprehensive. Okay, Mr. Mulia, please hand over another copy. Number 2, what you said, your legible copies are not there.
161 statement are not legible.
Why are you receiving in your office? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ କନଷ୍ଟେବଳ ଆସୁଥିବ ନା ତାକୁ ଗୋଟା ଭେରିଫାଏ କରି ରଖୁଛି ନା ଯାହା ଆଇଲା ତାକୁ ରଖିଦେଲା? So what is the purpose of then producing the case diary? If the 161 are not legible, how can you conduct the case? It should be verified properly before its acceptance. Feri debe knowledge are learned counsel for the state submits that though case diary has been received, but the 161 CRPC statements are not legible, and the matter may be taken up on some other day. Let the Land and Counsel for the petitioner supply the comprehensive affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner relating to the criminal antecedent to the Land and Counsel for the state put up this matter on 15th of March 2024.
Deposition trial started, deposition copy दे दीजिए.
अच्छा,
Deposition copy है.
all right. He has also supplied the deposition copies for me.
Item 23.
23, Ekta Agrawal. Yes. Deposition copy available? Case diary?
No, the case is not.
Your Lordship, this is one of the co-accused of that IIFL matter. On the last occasion, Your Lordship had asked us to.
Lordship directed them to give the copies of the bail order of the co-accused. They
Not supplied. So give him, so he will supply. I will verify. Land and Counsel for the petitioner supplied the bail order copies of the co-accused persons to the Land and Counsel for the state in court today, who seek some time to go through the same to examine the claim of parity. Land and Counsel for the bank is present. Put up this matter on 15th of March 2024.
That is the main accused has been released.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Main accused in fact released.
Your Lordship.
तांपर किछि नाई कागज पत्र वेरीफाई करिया आपण को ये जदी कहबे सम्मान तो सम्मान और किछि असुविधा नहीं. तो यस, नेक्स्ट.
Item 25.
25, yes, Mr. Panda.
Cough syrup matter, my lord. Not arrested from the spot. Cough syrup. Not arrested from the spot. Basis of implication is statement of co-accused.
Dita matter अछि.
My lord. Both are same. Same accused.
Co-accused confession.
Yes, my lord.
Both are same. In first item, Lordship direct to file comprehensive affidavit.
How many cases, sir?
8 criminal antecedents.
Have you filed it?
I have filed. In all those cases, he is on bail.
And the other case, Lordship is directed on last occasion to verify the criminal antecedent, and he has also 4 criminal.
File.
Mile.
So second item रे comprehensive affidavit भी file करना थी.
सेटा instruction नथिला गोटे केस.
अच्छा लिखंतु. Second item टा आगे लिख दियंतु. BLAPL number 1067023. Dhubaleshwar Sahu. Land and Counsel for the state has obtained instruction that there are as many as 5 criminal antecedents. 4 criminal antecedent against the petitioner, and he has furnished the case numbers to the Land and Counsel for the petitioner, who seeks some time to obtain instruction and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of such cases. Hala? So matter be listed on 15/3/2024. So 8 आपण जो 8टा criminal antecedent अछि. So that you verify whether you are on bail in all those cases.
Yes, ma'am.
And one case is also under NDPS Act.
21 NDPS.
Yes. Where have you stated that you are on bail in this? Or this you have simply stated?
My lord.
कौन ए केस रो पोजीशन कौन? आपन कहइतला स्टेटस दबा पई आपन खाली केस नंबर दे देला ऑफेंस दे देले सेटा कोन स्टेटस सेटा तो सी दउ
File another additional activity. To that effect.
कोथरे बेल एचंदी कोथरे ट्रायल सरी गलानी कोन रानी एगुडा सब बुझिबे ना एडा 2006 मसिया रो केस कोडा को 5 मसिया रो असे खाली पीएस केस ऑफेंस या this is not the
File another.
All right, the Land and Counsel, so far as first item relevant, Trinath Rana, the Land and Counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to file a better affidavit, better comprehensive affidavit. Put up this matter along with PLAPL number so and so on 15/3/2024. Yes.
Item 26.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
You have received the case diary?
Yes, madam.
Is it the first application?
Second application.
Sorry, madam, that is a phrase application.
Yes.
Phrase application.
First morning, this matter was listed before this on regulate first time, my lord, but it was second bail application. My lord.
No, no.
Second.
Aguru list it lagi.
No, Aguru list is not. Fresh
So
application.
upon pine and the case diary.
No.
Okay. The learned counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary and also the criminal antecedent report of this matter on 15/3/2024. Yes.
Sir, I'm filing one the order sheet, my lord, she kept it taken.
Learned counsel for the
I'm serving also copy.
order sheet mane kaun pai
Plus, last time lordship directed to 6 months with a trial complete of
Oh, that has not been completed.
Not
All right. Learned counsel for the petitioner filed the order sheet of the learned trial court, which is taken on record.
Grateful.
Item 27.
Just a minute. 2 minutes, Raj. Mr. I'm just coming within 2 minutes. Yes.
Item 27.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, the
Henceforth, water artisan, that will be reflected. Yes.
Petition
Item
is in
29.
Yes, madam. Petitioner is in custody since 16/8.
CD available?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is it the first application?
Blood.
So, BLAPL 11532/2023. Motilal Behera. So, what is the date of custody?
16/8/23.
16/8/23. And charge sheet under section
379, 411, 120B, and Section 51, Wildlife Act.
Wildlife Protection Act. So, what about the CA?
No criminal act.
No CA.
I'm handing over copy. Again.
कौन नेउथले
एथारु किछि सीज हेनी ओआईक्यू स्टेटमेंट को बेस करिकि he has been charge sheeted and arrested.
No seizure from your possession. Yes, Mr.
He has seizure but he is the main person.
Who is the main person?
This accused.
As per the
164 statement is there. 164 statement recorded of a person.
Kahara?
ଗୋଟେ ପାନ ବାଲା ଯାହା ଦୋକାନ ଆଗରେ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଗ ଧରିକି ସେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା।
नहीं हाँ आर इम्प्लिकेशन टा आसुची सीजर हिची काटू
सीजर अलगा co-accused
से आसी कोई All right, Learned and Counsel for the state has produced the written instruction received from Inspector of Police STF CID CB Bhubaneswar wherein it is mentioned that nothing adverse was found against the petitioner. The written instruction is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 16/8/23. He has been charge sheeted under section 379, 411, 120B of the Indian Penal Code and section 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act, and that the implication of the petitioner in the case is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police, which is not disputed by the learned counsel for the state. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Oh, bless you.
Item 30.
May plus 20B2C. Earlier he had moved. Your Lordship directed the trial court to conclude the trial within a period of
What
6
is that
months.
number?
1391 of 2022, order dated 20th of February
अच्छी
2022.
से 131 काइन ऑर्डर कॉपी काइन हां एटा आईए टा मतलब बीएलएपीएल जोटा कहउचंदी
I have given in the certificate.
सर्टिफिकेट ऑर्डर टा कोन पास हिज केम जानी कोन नंबर कहले आउतरे
1391 of 2022.
1391 of
2022.
2022 एटा वेबसाइट रो अपलोड ही नहीं आई तो बाहर करो so what is the position now?
Now trial has
started माने कोन किछि हेलेनी साखी
साखी हेना your Lordship may call for the status.
BLAPL 1391 2022 Raman Kumar Raut. हाँ ठीक है कॉपी टे बाहर कर दिया कौन है जरा ऑपरेटिव पार्ट को दिया शेयर करो होला ये भी ऑर्डर को करती है स्क्रॉल डाउन to हाँ 6 months चला के बे ऑर्डर पास ही थी और ऊपर उठान
20th of February.
All right, Lekhon. The Learned Council, you have received the case diary?
Madam.
Learned Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary. Learned Council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since Kebe
8/7/2021.
8/7/2021, and earlier he approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 1391 of 2022, which was disposed of on 20/2/2023. And while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, Learned Trial Court was directed to conclude the trial within a period of 6 months. Scroll down. 6 months code date. How did it just a minute. 6 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. And the petitioner was given liberty to renew the prayer for bail if the trial is not concluded within the said period. Learned Counsel for the petitioner further submits that he has instruction that trial has not commenced. Status report be called for, matter be placed on 15th of March 2024. Registered judicial shall call for the status report. Yes. সেটা বাহার করি কিনি তা ভিতরে রাখি দিও হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
Item 31 on behalf of Item 33.
33, Mr. Das, Aniruddha Das. Yes. CD9. Offense kono?
302.
Oh, 302.
Accused in custody since 26/9/2014, my lord.
2014.
My lord.
So you obtained that custody certificate, so also the status report. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
26/9/2014. In the meantime, 2 times in the interim bail.
2014 was taken into judicial custody and he was released twice on interim bail, and after availing the same he surrendered at right time. Hala? The learned counsel for the state submit that he is yet to receive the case diary. Let the status report be called for from the learned trial court, and while submitting the status report, the deposition copies of the witnesses already examined is sent to this court. The learned counsel for the state shall also produce the custody certificate put up this matter on 15th of March 2024. jail. V নাওটা কাটলে এটা ফাইল এলা বলে সে ছিল
সোনপুর
সোনপুর লেখা আছে yes next status report
It will come on mail.
15 তারিখ জন status report custody certificate deposition copy. Yes, next.
Item 34. Item 36.
Might be your lordship.
Yes.
In custody since 23/9.
Have received the case diary?
No, not received.
Not received.
No, my lord. That will be next week. My lord.
Next week.
I am submitting about antecedent.
Comprehensive
My
affidavit.
lord.
Alright. Give it copy
Start
to
copy.
Learned Counsel for the
And
state submits that he has not received the case diary. Learned Counsel for the petitioner files the comprehensive affidavit relating to the criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Copy has been supplied to the Learned Counsel for the state. Put up this matter on 15/3/2024.
I am also submitting deposition of 12 witnesses.
Acha, deposition
Nine witnesses.
deposition copy
I'll-
also
In
supplied.
course of
taken
time,
on
in
record.
course of day, I will submit copy on him.
Acha.
Xerox କରିକି ଦେଇଦେବି।
Okay. All right. ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେଲି submit ହେଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମୁଁ
ନ କଲେ
ଦାସଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି।
ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ ଫୋନ କରିବେ। Yes.
ଖାଲି ତାଙ୍କର available ହବାର କଥା।
ଆମେ available।
ତମ ଅନ୍ୟ କାମ ଅଛି, available ହବାର କଥା।
Yes, next.
Item 37.
My lord, in view of the
Your lordship posted it.
15th ଆଉ ଆର ସପ୍ତାହରେ ପା ଛୁଟି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଅଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
My lord, in view of the first or second order passed in ABLPL number 10,787 of 2023, the petitioner was surrendered before the trial court. My lord.
କେବେ?
16/11/2023.
ଅଛି case diary ଅଛି?
In the
Okay. Charge sheet under section?
My lord, charge sheet under section 395, 326, 307 of IPC. My lord.
ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ?
No, my lord. Co-accused person have been released on bail.
397, my lord, it is a case of 2017. He was absconded. He surrendered on.
So, material is co-accused statement.
My lord, the main allegation is Anu and Anwar Khan. My lord.
395 ରେ main allegation କଣ? ସମସ୍ତେ ତ main ତା ଦେହରେ।
ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ 307 326 ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ ତ ଧରା ପଡିଥିଲେ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫିକେସନ ପ୍ୟାରେଡ୍ ରେ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ। ତ ଫସିଗଲେ କୁଆଡେ ରହିଲେ।
ସିଏ ଟା ବି ମଗାଇନି, ସିଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦଉଛି।
କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେ ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି?
ନା ବାପା
ଯେ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ। So let it come. You are an absconder for so many years. 17 ରୁ 6 ବର୍ଷ ଧରି absconder ଥିଲେ। ତାପରେ anticipatory bail file କଲେ।
କୋଆକୁ ଗଲେନି।
ଭଲ ଯେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ସିଏଟା ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। Learned Counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary but seeks some time to obtain the instruction about the criminal antecedent. Put up this matter on 15/3/2024. Yes. Acha, the files the comprehensive affidavit which is taken on record. State Council to copy the letter. Copy has been served on the Learned Counsel for the state. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
Item 38.
Yes, Mrs. Jina.
My lord, 38. This case is having a checkered career. Earlier, your lordship was pleased to allow him to go on interim bail. And ultimately, your lordship was pleased to reject it on 22/2023, on 28/2/2023.
Which is that BLAPL number?
My lord, that is BLAPL number 2974 of 18. Challenging the same, he preferred a SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court. And Honorable Supreme Court directed him to immediately surrender. Thereafter, he surrendered on 25/4/2023. And since then, he is in custody. Allegation is he has taken loan but didn't pay it back. The amount is huge.
So, where is the Honorable Supreme Court's order?
Order, my lord, SLP number I have given.
No, my order was confirmed.
Your lordship was pleased to reject the bail application.
That you challenged in
that he challenged before the Honorable
and it was
Supreme.
dismissed.
And it was dismissed,
So
directing him to surrender immediately.
So where is that
is
order? I just want.
Special leave appeal number criminal.
ଆଜିକାଲି ସବୁ ବାହାରି ଯିବ ଆରାମ ସେ।
ବାହାରି ଯିବ। ତାହେଲେ after lunch.
After lunch. Next.
Then 15
Learned 15th ratio, 15/3/2024. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 2974 of 2018 was rejected by this court as per order dated 20/2/2023, which was confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court.
My lord, I am sorry, 22/2023 and on 28/2/2023, your lordship was pleased to dispose it of. 28/2/2023.
And finally disposed of on 28/2/2023. And the said order was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court in SLP criminal number 3896 of 20.
No, 4465.
अच्छा अच्छा एठी गोटे नंबर लिखा है तो मुझे सेटा केते
नहीं
कोन
6 पेज 6 देखो
पेज
6 पेज 6 रो from the beginning
पेज 6 रो
beginning
from the beginning अच्छा नंबर टा लिख दन SLP क्रिमिनल नंबर 6 पृष्ठ रे लिखा है जी बेल पिटिशन हला से जो नंबर टा पूरा लिखि देबे which has and the SLP was dismissed and the order passed by this court was confirmed. However, she seeks some time to produce the copy of the order put of this matter on 15/3/2020. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 39.
My lord, my lord, it is available.
Don't give. Give him a copy for the state council.
Copy नहीं तू देखी दो ना देखी दे देखी दे.
So let it come on 15/3. All right. Yes. Next.
Item 39.
39.
May I please? Last occasion, your lordship call for a status report on the trial court.
ऐसी लगी केते flag B. So report is dated 4th of January 2024, and it indicates that out of 36 charge sheet witnesses, 10 witnesses have been examined, and prosecution declined 6 witnesses, and 1 witness is dead. What is the case here? Offense
302/34 of IPC.
So have you got the deposition copies?
Yes, sir, I already filed my
file.
Yes.
What the witnesses have stated?
The P22 is an informant, my lord.
Yes.
Who is the
Supported the prosecution case.
no direct evidence, my lord, circumstantial evidence.
Mr. Das,
My lord.
you have gone through the deposition copies.
I have gone through the deposition copy, sir, my lord.
Yeah.
But so far as per the witnesses list, my lord,
Hmm.
one Sashi Rekha Naik is the eyewitness to the occurrence.
She is not examined.
Not examined, but 6 has been declined and 1 has died. From that, whether
Sashi Rekha?
Naik, my lord.
Now, eyewitness to the occurrence.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन आपनकर instruction कौन?
No, my lord. May kindly see the FIR, my lord.
Sashi Rekha Naik ro statement available अछि.
No, my lord. Don't examine. Not examine, my lord. Sashi Rekha Naik.
Examine ही नहीं था अपन को. No. अच्छा, you produce that. Right. Why he said so? କାରଣ 6ଟା witness decline ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କାଳେ ଶଶି ରେଖାକୁ decline କରିଦେବେ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ପଚାରିଲେ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ sure ଯେ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଶଶି ରେଖାକୁ decline ହେଇନି so
not examined till now.
ଓହୋ ଆପଣ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି suppose ସେ witness ସମନ ପରେ ଆସିକିନି public prosecutor କହିବ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି public prosecutor memo ଦେଇ decline କରିଦେବାର power ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ତା ପାଖରେ
not before
he has not come to the court. All right. Learned counsel for the period the status report.
Can I? Because we don't know whether the 6 the names of the 6 witnesses decline and 1 is dead also, my lord. So my prayer is that let the trial court be directed to summon the if he has not been declined and so that we will receive the summon.
Okay. Period the status report which indicates that out of 36 charge sheet witnesses, flag B, 10 witnesses have been examined and 6 witnesses have been declined and 1 witness is dead. Learned counsel for the state has received the deposition copy of the 10 witnesses from the learned counsel for the petitioners. However, on verification of the case diary, he submits that one Sasirekha Naik is an eyewitness to the occurrence. And but she is yet to be examined. Stop. Let the Lenin trial court verify whether Sasirekha Naik has been declined by the prosecution or not. And if not, summons shall be issued to the said witness for her examination and assistance of the inspector in charge of Markatnagar police station shall be taken for ensuring the attendance of such witness on the date fixed. Copy of the order be communicated to the Lenin trial court by the Lenin Register Judicial. Put up this matter on 15/3/2024.
And next date is 19/3.
Huh?
Next date.
Then you keep it on 19/3.
19.
It is stated by the Lenin Council so that the date is fixed to 19/3/2024. Put up this matter on 22nd March 2024. Yes. Vice Royal.
So
if the witness is examined in the meantime, Lenin Council for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of her deposition. Okay? Yes.
No co-accused person already granted bail by your lordship.
That you produce on that day.
Okay.
Item 40.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, prisoner is custodied from 11/8/2021, lordship.
So, case diary available?
Last occasion, lordship, call for the status report, lordship.
Well, all right. Status report indicate out of 18 charge sheet witness, only one witness has been examined.
Lordship.
So your custody date is?
Custody date, lordship, 11/8/2021.
11/8/2021. And you have been charge sheeted under section
20B2C.
20B2C.
Lordship.
Okay. So, how many criminal antecedents you have got?
No.
No. You are a outside.
42 is also another co-accused.
You are an outsider or local man? Local man.
Local.
Let him go on interim bail, Mr. Das.
42 ଟା ଦିଟା କା
42 ଦିଟା ସେ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି?
42
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି?
ସେଇ 11/8/2000
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଦିଟା କମନ ଅର୍ଡର ନା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା? Considering this, peruse the status report submitted by the Lenin trial court, from which it reveals that out of 18 charge sheet witness, only one witness has been examined. Considering the submission made by the Lenin counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/8/2021, and he has been charge sheeted under section 20B2C of the NDPS Act. And there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner which is not disputed by the Lenin counsel for the state after verifying the case diary. And further taking into account that the petitioner is a local man, and in view of the slow progress of the trial, in view of the available materials on record, and particularly keeping in view the provision under section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit, taking into account the delay in this 3 months bail granted, and you will appear before the Lenin trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, shall not indulge in any criminal activity. Same order in item number 42. 42 also no CA?
No CA.
Okay.
Obliged.
Item 41.
Yes, Mr. Bhansdev.
Please, Lordship.
My petition is languishing in the jail courtroom on 16/3/2020.
Case diary available
Case data available. They have sought some deposition copies.
today.
Other co-accused person has been.
So go through it. Take up next week. Okay.
Status report will be
Status report. Status report आस जाइए. Status report कहउचंदी respectful so and so split up होला committed so and so as of now 26 charge sheet witness ru 8 witnesses have been examined. So how many he has supplied to you? This is the report dated 12/1/24.
7.
All right.
8.
8 ठीक है.
Other accused person those are faced acquitted. I have annexed the acquittal.
No. ए पर्यंत जति साक्षी हेइचंदी किछि कहिचंदी ना
ना PW1 eyewitness no have statement. Eyewitness basing upon which
verify करना आउ
1 2 3 अछि.
How ki achhu na dekhiya padibo.
How ki na basing upon that other accused person has acquitted.
The learned counsel for the peer the status report which indicates dated कर दियंतु 12/1/24 which indicates that out of 26 charge sheet witnesses 8 witnesses have been examined. The learned counsel for the petitioner has supplied the deposition copies of the 8 witnesses to the learned counsel for the state who seeks some time to verify and to go through the same. आप एटा कौन दउछन
certified copy of the present deposition I have already supplied.
हाँ ठीक है. He also filed the deposition copy for the court which is taken on record out of this matter on 15/3/2024.
And next week
next week पूरा छुट्टी अछि. tied up matter ओडा शुक्रवार आछि. Yes.